Even though the intervention is about regenerating soil through diverting our food scraps from the landfills and back into the earth, I think the problem I was really setting out to solve was that we know people are living out of harmony with the earth. Most of civilization is. We hear it so much that most people have given up on doing anything about it because it's just like too painful to think about every day. We're so off course and we're making so little headway on it after so many attempts. So I thought, okay, what is our best shot of actually harmonizing humans with nature? And why is it not happening more? And one of the reasons is that people aren't having any regenerative experiences in their daily lives.